Follow these steps to program bills on your new Conlux Bill Validator. You will need a small thin tool like this one. To begin, remove the bill box by pressing the tab at the top. Then find this hole on the validator. You need to use a small thin tool to press the button inside the hole. Pressing the button inside the hole will put the validator in programming mode. Now put the bill box back on the validator. You can now place the bill you want to enable or disable into the validator. If the lights flash 10 times, that means the validator has been programmed to accept the bill. If the validator light flashes 3 times, it means the validator has been disabled from accepting the bill. Placing the bill back into the validator will enable or disable the bill, depending on if it was previously enabled or disabled. The validator will then time out of programming mode. For more assistance, contact Vendnet technical support at 1-800-833-4411 or email service@vendnetusa.com.